Okay, so we've got this great truck that we got from some friends of ours from Corbin. We have been trying to spruce this thing up, get it back looking a little bit better, and so we've got this dash that's kind of trashed out on it. This is a 92 GMC, pretty great truck, step side even, very cool, but just doing a little bit of work on it, making it more useful for us in the future. And so we came across what's called a Coverlay dash cover that I actually made right here in San Angelo, and so we are utilizing that piece to be able to make this work for us. And so just thought it'd be a fun way to work together, father and son project. Corbin's going to do most of the work on putting this dash on, and just figured it'd be a neat thing for people to be able to see. Alright, so Corbin's gonna slide on the first piece and try not to get stuff all over the steering wheel. I'm gonna try to tilt it up. There you go. Pushing down real good. Yeah, looks good. Just don't get too. Alright, so we're moving to the dash cover. Corbin's gonna start getting the silicone on it. Gotcha. Alright, so I think let's take some tape, just try to make sure it stays down. Put something on top of it to keep it kind of holding down while it dries, but it just looks so much better than it did before. Alright, so we got it all squished down in there, got some weight on it so it'll dry up and hold well, but Corbin was a pro here, so it's actually kind of something he wants to learn how to deal with cars more in the future anyway, so it's